Just be yourself. You've got Muslim.
Would you choose money or love?
With my daddy?
What's up guys, with another YouTube video. Welcome to my channel Mr. D. Subscribe, like, share, click the subscribe button. As you can see, we buy club yachts today. Yeah guys, so let's get to it. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel Mr. D. So as you can see, DJ Please came to come fetch me for the day, and what a blessing. Wat zijn naam zit? Wat hebben wij?
Nee, mijn boemen.
Ja, wat hebben wij? How Pigos? DJ, do you have a word of a day?
Karam super salam. Karam super salam. Lieve mensen aan zeggen, alsjeblieft, doe jij wat je moet doen. Er is een probleem met de gemaakt dak.
We have Devon in the house.
Morning gentlemen.
Morning sir. So we need a word of a day.
Word of a day.
Word of a day, sir.
Can't buy experience over the counter. Yo! Ja, wauw, dat zakje bij mijn Oké, ik zie die man is nou open. Wat ze naam hier zeg. Je moet nog een beetje verduidelijken over die kar. Guys, die kilo's is na. Zoals kan kaap toch alles uit. Zoals kan kaap toch aan in het.
Come enjoy the day with us as we going on a trip to support DJ Please and entertain people and interview them. Big shout out to Showers of Blessing. It was raining the morning, but I also got nervous, thought it was gonna rain whole day. Yup, trip to Summerstrand. Super excited to share this moment with everyone. Heritage Day Festival. Free promo for score. Yes indeed, we finally arrived. I'm super excited. Actually felt nervous, but most important, I'm here to enjoy myself. Sup guys, sup. We here today. We have Devon in the house. What does Heritage Day means to you personally?
Personally, to me, I actually have no answer for Heritage Day because I never went deep into Heritage Day to research it. For me, it's more like a cultural thing. You're exploring different cultures.
Okay.
You've got your Indian culture, you've got your African culture, you've got Muslim. So it's different cultures. I think it's a combined thing. It should be a combined thing. That's how I feel.
Would you choose money or love?
Money can't buy love. You understand? So whether it's from another partner, whether it's from someone, whether it's from family, I will still choose love because I love God.
Nice. What has 4 legs but can't walk?
Isn't that a car?
Table.
A table.
Okay, DJ Please, how are you doing?
I'm good, thank you guys, and you?
Okay, so DJ Please, what you gonna do today?
Guys, we're at the NMB Yacht Club. So we have like a festival, heritage festival for all the people.
Okay.
As the guy mentioned. So yeah, I'm performing here, and I hope to see you guys here. So please be here.
And are you very excited?
Yeah, guys, I'm excited. Die weer die lekker geluidje wat is aan deurder.
Okay, and can you tell us what your goal after this?
I need to get more gigs, guys.
Yes. Our ding, lekker. We have our crew. Everyone is present. On our way, getting our VIP gate pass, and who would have actually thought my supporters came to the Heritage Day Festival? Let's get inside and see the results. VIP pass! Super excited here to experience different cultures. DJ Please getting ready. Weird vibes. Preparing DJ Please's setup, and most important, the view was super nice, guys. I love the view. But who am I here today with?
There you go.
What does Heritage Day means to you personally? Would you choose money or love?
What?
What does Heritage Day personally mean to you?
Yeah.
You prefer love or money?
Love.
Give me a good explanation.
Why? Love because love money.
What's your name?
Brandy Wilson. Brandy.
Without whiskey. Of wat? Oké. Sê vir ons gewoon, sê vir ons te deel gewoon so. Wat jou slechtste beweging met jou ex?
Wie van julle kan vir my sê waar het een oog maar kan nie sien nie? Waar het een oog maar kan nie sien nie?
Anaal.
Alweer. Waar het gate maak in water hou? Nee, alles slim. Alles slim. Alles is slim. Wat? Okay, hulle wou foute vat. Cheese. For me personally, the experience at the festival was great. Culture, koi dance, jumping castles, like food stalls and everything was on point, and also face painting. Guys, I would recommend this. Guys, check out this. It's lovely. Heritage Day, what does it mean to you?
Voor mij is het nou cultuur om culturen te celebrate.
And can you tell me what was that dance about, the koi dance? No, what dance? Wait, what dance is it?
Khoisan dance.
Khoisan dance. Okay, what was the dance about?
It's about our
Religion. Your culture.
yeah.
Thank you so much. What's your name?
Lisa.
Thank you so much. What are you doing here today?
I'm here with my daddy
Oh, siya naman. Ingrid, what are you now?
because my mother's here and she's here to come have some fun with me.
Oh, siya naman. So tell the people what's your name?
Kiara.
Nice to meet you, Kiara. My name is Mr. Dina. You can meet me on TikTok everywhere, ne? So. Once again, had to take pictures with my fans and my supporters. Thank you so much, guys. I love and appreciate the support. What am I here today with? Caitlin, I have a few questions. What does Heritage Day means to you personally?
To meet other cultures.
Would you choose money or love?
Love.
Do you miss your ex?
No.
Embarrassing moment.
No.
Yan na kayan muna, embarrassing moment, Gerrit. Kom sê vir die crowd. Kom sê.
Ik verdrank het.
Maar sy nee, sy kyk sy dood gegaan toe Jagelaar weer terug.
Bijna als nee, joh.
Wat se groep is die? Is it like a band group?
Maat en Rauw.
Team wat?
Man Engels team Koekers.
Nee, die YouTube. Niet dat personal. Was your ex?
Ja, ik moest mij nog.
Wie was hulle ex?
Ik
Wat se naam? As jy kan sien nou wie praat van hom.
Om naam is Benito.
Benito wala mas jou.
Wat is Benito?
Wat is van?
Ha? Benito, Boysen. Ha? Hoe
Boy, ek praat van fan. Ek bedoel maak net 'n voorbeeld van 'n fan.
Boysen.
Oh, Boysen. Sal jy my kans gee?
Ja.
Nice. Die vandag man. Okay. What's your experience in die industry?
Die journey is baie smooth sover.
Wat beteken Heritage Day vir jou persoonlik?
Dit praat oor ons kultuur, oor ons nasie, South Africans especially, celebrating the culture.
En jy word of a day vir die YouTube fans en vir die TikTok en all over?
Ek sal net sê, just be yourself, always and forever. Streven na volmaakheid, ons is nie volmaakheid, but ons kyk altyd hoe kan ons ons drome laat waarmaak.
Awe, en saam weet ek nou gepraat?
PK.
Say guys, PK. Baie dankie. Hello guys, how you doing? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mr. B. Yeah guys, as you can see, this is the end of our video. We had to say bye to the gents and went out. Yeah guys, as you can see, that's our vlog for this day. Thank you so much to the Heritage Day Festival. You're at the Yachts Club guys. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing. Guys, click the subscribe button for more content guys. Please, give me the support, give me the love man. I appreciate y'all. Come on, let's get to it. Yes, guys!
Flore kan die klap, hoor ek as 'n dronglap. Ja man, come on, hoor ek as 'n dronglap. Skill drong, kom my bene raak en nou slap. Hey, kom my bene raak en nou slap. Flore kan die klap, hoor ek as 'n dronglap. Ja man, come on, hoor ek as 'n dronglap. Skill drong, kom my bene raak en nou slap. Hey, come on. Glas ram in die hand by die poolboot. Trek my gesig, glo my dies mos 'n sterk sot. Ek sien hy kind wat my kyk, maar skenkie aandag. Dik dronk op 'n paas, leven in 'n Saterdag. Ek kyk die tyd en skrik groot. Verby my slaaptyd, motsie bel ek sin die nood. Vir my conversation man, my phone dit is op silence. Maak my geniet, het die nou tyd vir violence. Hoor ek in die klap, hoor ek as 'n dronglap. Ja man, come on, hoor ek as 'n dronglap. Skill dronk, kom my bene raak en nou slap. Hey, kom my bene raak en nou slap. Hoor ek in die klap, hoor ek as 'n dronglap. Ja, come on, hoor ek as 'n dronglap. Skill dronk, kom my bene raak en nou slap. Hey, come on. Dik dronk trap net liggies in die joint. Die motsies